I'm walking to Safeway again because I am running out of food to eat. And then I might go to Subway and get dinner because I just want to change it up a bit. I haven't had Subway in probably for a month, so oh man, it is icy. So I'm just trying to be super careful, walk carefully so I don't slip. Made it to Sub. Made it to Safeway. Let's see what they got. Alright, I think I'm done with groceries. I think Starbucks is open, so I'm gonna get some coffee before I head out. Got my groceries, got my Subway, got my iced coffee, headed back home. It is so hot in here, I am gonna turn off the heater manually, because even if I change the thermometer, it will automatically just keep going up. I don't know why, but I'm gonna turn it off. I think it's this one. Alright, time for some Subway and maybe watch some YouTube videos. Let's see what's on. I'm watching trainer tips and then also eating Subway at the same time. I got the steak and cheese. I guess that's a new thing at Subway for $6. They have this special going on for $6. Normally it's like $9 to $10. So I was like debating, should I get this or should I get the BLT? But I decided for the same price, might as well go with the steak and cheese. And I think it was a good choice. So I asked the person making my sandwich if she had it, and she hasn't, and she's not a fan of steak. So let's try it. Let's try it. It looks pretty good though. That looks really good. Let's see if this is good or not. Really good. I did get it toasted. I usually get it toasted. It's really good. She recommended the chipotle sauce, so I did that, as well as extra sweet mayo. I love not sweet mayo, sweet onion sauce, and then mayo. Really good. If your local Subway has it on sale for $6, I definitely recommend trying it. It's really good. So I'm taking care of business in the bathroom, and Tony follows me everywhere, including the bathroom. Okay then, I guess he was chill here. Well, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys. Yep, that's how I feel too. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Stop yawning. You're making me yawn. Alright, see you guys later.